Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a really effective and simple strategy for day and week swing trading. Up here I have my MetaTrader 4 from earlier today. Nice little day, as you can see, $134 profit. And the trade I want to talk about is the NZD-JPY. If you're unfamiliar with what a MetaTrader 4 platform looks like, this is it here. So obviously this was a sell at $5 a pip, and then these smaller trades here, but this is the one we're focused on, and I want to show you guys how you can look for really simple signals in the market that let you get in on trades like this. So here, over on TradingView, I have drawn in on the NZD JPY this rectangle here to indicate a really strong major support and resistance area. Now, that can be defined in a bunch of different ways, but if you see, we're on the day-long chart. So we see a bunch of candles that have come into this area recently, tested it out, and resisted. So here, this is acting as a major resistance area. It won't break through, essentially. Over here, we see that the same area, again, it's not perfect, but this same area on the bullish trend had acted as a major support area. Again, each one of these candles represents a day, so it has tested it over the course of multiple days here. Even further back, again, this acted as a major resistance area. It's not perfect, but if we look on the week-long chart, this has been a significant point over the course of, if you see here, March 2019, all the way back 2016, 2017, 2018. So this has been a significant area over the course of time. Now, what does that tell us? Well, that tells us that if we can see, so up in here, 76, 76.4, 76.5 area, that it's likely going to reject at least a little bit. So that's what happened here. It came up into the 76.4 area, right? So I took a large sell on it, and that's exactly what happened. And then I got out of that trade right about in here for a $125 profit. So what that tells us, today's signal that I'm looking at here, if we go and apply this, is on the USD CHF chart. So if I was going to draw in something similar to that rectangle, again, we can start off on this day chart. And we're really looking for places where it's rejected as a resistance or acted as a support over the course of a significant, this is about a year here where it's done it. And we don't need to be too fine if we're trading day and week. We just want to get in the right realm. So we see this here. Sorry, it keeps on wanting to. Here we go. So if we look here, again, this acted as a support, and it broke through, acted as a resistance again, and now is acting as a support. Now, what's significant about this is if we go back, it's done this a number of times here. All right, look on the week, same thing. We can extend this out, and over the course of the last 2+ years, this has been a major support and resistance area, which means it's going to have a decent amount of trouble breaking through. So if we're on the day chart, so this is what I'm recommending. If you can get a trade, this is the signal for today, for March 13th. If you can get a trade in this 10045 area, we should get a buy on this, as the USD is also likely to be stronger than the CHF due to all the Brexit trouble, and that's kind of some news analysis. But just from a pure technical standpoint here, and this is a really simple and easy way for new traders to start looking and understanding at charts. Now, this isn't going to be perfect. It's not 100%, but it does work pretty well, as we see right here. And if you have no idea where to start, I suggest testing out this strategy, looking for major support and resistance areas, and then letting those trades play out for a day or a week, or at least on these 4-hour charts. even here we can see it even more clear on this 4-hour chart that this has been a major support area and resistance area over the course of time. So I got in on a trade right around here in this 4.546 range. So we should see this thing shoot back up, and that's today's signal. Come back tomorrow and we're going to get in on another trade together.